Welcome to this beautiful, traditional 4-bedroom home on a large corner lot with gorgeous landscaping. It's in a quiet neighborhood located near parks, schools, and shopping. Heading inside this more than 2,800 square foot home, you'll discover a light and bright interior with a vaulted living room. It opens to the spacious, formal dining room. The kitchen includes updated appliances, a pantry, a cooktop island, and plenty of storage space. In the family room, you can relax by the gas fireplace. You'll also find a convenient main-level bedroom and a half bath. On the upper level, an open sitting area is perfect for a great book. Double doors lead to the spacious master suite with 2 walk-in closets. The master bath includes a soaking tub, a large shower, and a dual sink vanity. An upstairs bonus room is a flexible space and could be a 5th bedroom. You'll find 2 more bedrooms and another full bath on this upper level. Entertain on the covered patio, or relax in the hot tub in the completely fenced backyard with a built-in sprinkler system. You have plenty of room for all of your toys with a 3-car garage, plus a large RV parking area. A fantastic home with multiple spaces to work and play. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or your own personal tour, please contact Brian or Greg Whistler with Premier Property Group. For financing options, please contact Rick Gerkman with Directors Mortgage.